Good morning, students. So, in process equipment design, we are discussing different types of flange facing. So, in previous lecture, we discussed there is a number of two types of flange facing. Is that wide face flanges, and B1 is narrow face flanges. So, wide flange and narrow face flanging, in which narrow face flanging are further classified into number of five types. So first one is raised face. तो क्या होता है, there is a similar part at both side, and the male and female facing. Then after a tongue and groove. So this tongue and groove type we discuss last. Now fourth one is ring facing. So ring facing, exactly in a ring facing, two identical grooves, usually trapezoidal in a shape, trapezoidal શેપમાં હોય છે, are made in a both facing. બંને કેવા હોય છે? ટ્રેપેઝોડિયલ ફંક્શનમાં. The gasket in the shape of ring fit into the grooves. હવે આની અંદર ગાસ્કેટ ફિટ કરવામાં આવે છે, ગાસ્કેટ. So the gasket is well protected with these types of flange. બંનેને પ્રોટેક્ટ કરે છે. It is used in serve condition or with hazardous fluid. This is used where the condition is for hazardous fluid. These types of flange is widely used in petroleum, petrochemical, high pressure services. But in these types of flange facing, close tolerance and high standoff machining are required. Hence, main disadvantages of this flange facing is high cost of manufacturing, because this one is for use for manufacturing of the petroleum or petrochemicals product. So this one is used for high pressurized service, and the high cost of manufacturing is required. Now gasket is so these are the ring facing. Okay, so exactly these types are the mainly used for the first is that petroleum product or petrochemical purpose. Then it is the manufacturing cost is very high. Okay, now use of gasket or the gasket. What are the types of gasket, where it is used, and why we need to the gasket? Now gasket is that placed between two flange facing. ક્યાં મૂકવામાં આવે છે? બે ફ્લેંજ ફેસિંગની વચ્ચે આપણે મૂકવામાં આવે છે. And it held tight by the series of bolt. For proof metal to metal surface without gasket is difficult to fabricate. એટલે કે ગાસ્કેટ છે એને ક્યાં મૂકવામાં આવે છે? બે ફ્લેંજ ફેસિંગની વચ્ચે. હવે અને એને શાનાથી ફિટ કરવામાં આવે છે? એન્ડ ઇટ ઇઝ ટાઇટેડ બાય ધી numbers of series of bolt. And metal surface is without gasket is difficult to fabricate. Gasket વગર એને fabricate કરવા possible નથી, because during the any flow processes it is the problem is occurs that for the leakage problem, and the at that point where the two flanges are joints, the leakage problems is occurs, and as well as the breaking of pipe is difficulties occurs. Irregularities in a surface order of even few millimeters of inch can permit the escape of fluid under the pressure. Gasket is elastic or semi-plastic material. Elastic is what? That is a elastic or semi-plastic material. when it is tightened by the bolts between two flanges. The gasket deforms and tries to expand the occupies the total surface between two flanges facing, and there it is sealed the minute irregularities of surface to prevent the leakage of fluid. જ્યારે બે ફ્લુઇડને બે જે ફ્લેંજ ફેસિંગને જોઈન્ટ કરવામાં આવે છે ત્યારે શું કરે છે, જે ગાસ્કેટ છે વિચ ઇઝ એક્સપાન્ડ શું કરે છે, એક્સપાન્ડ થાય છે because it is elastic material and try to adjust with surface and irregularity or prevent the leakage of the fluid. The minimum amount of force that must be supplied to gasket and flow and seal the surface irregularity known as the yield or sitting force. What exactly here? Where minimum force is applied on the gasket, it is known as a yield or sitting force. Stress is created by the force. Stress is created by force. Here stress is created by the force in the gasket is called stress or sitting stress of gasket. જ્યારે ગાસ્કેટ પર જો કોઈ પણ પ્રકારનો ફોર્સ લગાડવામાં આવે છે એને શું કહેવામાં આવે છે, સ્ટ્રેસ ઓર સિટિંગ સ્ટ્રેસ ઓફ gasket. Now, one is hydraulic end of the force. One is hydraulic force tends to separate the flange and decrease the unit of stress of the gasket, and it is acting in opposite direction of gasket. And second force is created by the internal pressure, which is try to blow out the gasket between the which can also break down the gasket. Now, in usual condition, in operating condition, therefore it is force acting on the gasket before the operating gasket is tightened by the bolt. અને જે gasket છે generally they are tightening by the bolts. Now, bolts load create the stress in the gasket is in operating condition is reduced by hydraulic end force. That means જે bolts છે, okay, that is created a force on the gasket because we fit this gasket using bolts. So it is defined by the gas factor, and it is also defined by the gas factor ratio. So gas factor ratio is that it is the ratio of gasket stress at operating condition to the internal pressure called gasket factor. જ્યારે the ratio of gasket stress, જે ગાસ્કેટ પરનું જે સ્ટ્રેસ છે વિચ ઇઝ ઓપરેટિંગ એટ ઓપરેટિંગ કન્ડિશન, જ્યારે ઓપરેટિંગ કન્ડિશન પર હોય ત્યારે પર એના પર લાગતું જે ઇન્ટરનલ પ્રેશર છે એને કહેવામાં આવે છે ગાસ્કેટ ફેક્ટર. ગાસ્કેટ ફેક્ટર ઇઝ અ property of gasket material. It is a property of gasket material. Now, over a wide range of pressure, it remains constant. Gasket width can be decided by the relationship. So it is the relationship like that. ગાસ્કેટ સિટિંગ ફોર્સ, ગાસ્કેટ પરનો જે સિટિંગ ફોર્સ લાગે છે, જે એડજસ્ટ થવામાં લાગે છે એ. સો ઇટ ઇઝ અ ગાસ્કેટ સિટિંગ ફોર્સ માઇનસ હાઇડ્રોલિક પ્રેશર ફોર્સ, જે પ્રેશર ફોર્સ લાગે છે ડ્યુરિંગ ધ ઓપરેટિંગ કન્ડિશન, ઇઝ ઇક્વલ ટુ રેસિડ્યુઅલ ગાસ્કેટ ફોર્સ, જે રેસિડ્યુઅલ ફોર્સ બાકી રહી છે એ. Residual gasket force should not be less than that required to prevent the leakage of under operating pressure. So it is given by this equation, pi by 4 d0 pi by 4 d0 square minus di square into y minus pi by 4 d0 square into p equal to pi by 4 d0 square into di square into pm. Okay, so where y is equal to design sitting stress, y શું છે ડિઝાઇન સ્ટીટિંગ સ્ટ્રેસ છે, અને d0 and di શું છે, d0 is outer diameter of gasket and di it is the inside diameter of the gasket. P is the internal design pressure and m is the gasket factor જે આપણે ડિફાઇન કર્યો તે. So exactly from the equation di0 square pi by 4 all these terms will be negative and it is can be cancelled. Okay, now these terms also be cancelled, pi by 4 d0 square plus and negative, so remaining is p and d0 square. Okay, y is so d0 square minus di square and remaining term is that y minus pm. Okay, y minus pm right hand side equation is equal to di square, લેફ્ટ હેન્ડ સાઈડમાંથી શું વધશે di સ્ક્વેર ઇન્ટુ વાય સોરી ઇન્ટુ પી, બરાબર, આ ટર્મ ખાલી બાકી રહેશે. સો રીઅરેન્જ ધીસ ઇક્વેશન, તો બધામાં d0 સ્ક્વેર કોમન હશે, તો di0 વાળું ટર્મ છે એને કોમન લઈએ. સો ઇટ ઇઝ કેન બી d0 સ્ક્વેર y minus pm minus p and equal to di square y minus pm. So the final equation is said that by di square છે અને આ ટર્મ નીચે લઈ આવે, સો di by d0, ઓકે, બંનેનો સ્ક્વેર થશે તો ઇક્વલ ટુની પેલી બાજુ જશે, સો દેટ ઇઝ ઓપોઝિટ સાઇડ ઇટ ઇઝ અંડર રૂટ, સો અંડર રૂટ y minus pm upon y minus p m plus 1. This equation is used to decide the dimension of gasket. Okay, so this equation is used to decide the dimension of gasket, which size, and there are the different type of gasket available. So the value of m and y for the different gasket types and material are given in the appendix C. બુકની પાછળ appendix C ની અંદર m અને y ની વેલ્યુ આપેલી છે. m ગાસ્કેટ ફેક્ટર અને y જે છે એ શું છે, ડિઝાઇન સ્ટીટિંગ સ્ટ્રેસ. નાઉ ધીસ આર ધ ડિફરન્ટ ટાઈપ્સ ઓફ ગાસ્કેટ. હવે જુદા જુદા પ્રકારની ગાસ્કેટ આપણે યુઝ કરીએ છીએ. સો એની અંદર ફર્સ્ટ ઇઝ ફ્લેટ રિંગ ગાસ્કેટ. ફ્લેટ રિંગ ગાસ્કેટ શું છે? Flat ring gaskets are widely used. It can be easily made by cutting the flat sheet and hence fabrication is easiest. Okay, it is very easy to made up and they are commonly fabricated from metals such as rubber, cloth, paper, asbestos, copper, lead, aluminum, nickel, mono metal and soft iron. They are generally fabricated from. So it is depends upon the application of use, so which types of material we need to construct. The gasket are usually made with the thickness range of 0.5 to 5 mm. 0.5 mm થી લઈ અને 5 mm સુધીની જે ગાસ્કેટ રિંગ છે એ આપણે બનાવી શકાય છે. પેપર, ક્લોથ, રબર ગાસ્કેટ આર નોટ રિકમેન્ડેડ ટુ યુઝ અબવ 120 ડિગ્રી સેલ્સિયસ. હવે જે ઉપરના જે મટીરિયલ છે એમાંથી પેપર, ક્લોથ, રબર, this flat ring gasket are not used above the 120 degree Celsius operating condition. Asbestos and compositions gasket can be used up to 350 degree Celsius. જે એસ્બેસ્ટોસનું જે કમ્પોઝિશન્સ હોય એની સાથેનું જે કોઈ પણ ગાસ્કેટ તમે બનાવો તો they can use up to 350 degree Celsius. Now, based on environment consideration, recently used of asbestos for the gasket is banned. Asbestos is banned for the construction of beach for the environmental factor safety. Asbestos is banned, and ferrous and nickel alloy metal gasket can be used to rating the temperature of the flange. That means there is a फेरस एंड निकल एलॉय की जो गैस्केट है वो वाइड रेंज ऑफ टेम्परेचर स्केल के ऊपर हम उसको यूज़ कर सकते हैं. ठीक. सो दिस आर द फर्स्ट फ्लैट रिंग टाइप ऑफ gasket. You can simply easily type the Google for the photographs of flat ring gasket is. And other types of gasket we will discuss in next lecture.